Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the Successful Futures Trader webinar. Uh, Today, you can master the art for 2025 and beyond. We are Sliver Trades, and I am Rao K. Before I get started, a statutory disclaimer that this is not financial advice. Any gains depend on the individuals, and outcome is not guaranteed. This webinar is about Sliver Bullet Trading System developed by Sliver Trades. And as I mentioned, I'm Rao K, founder of Sliver Trades and architect of Sliver Bullet Trading System. We are a company based in Chicago, Illinois. Today, I want to do this presentation in a different way. Last week, the presentation I made was where I covered everything about Sliver Bullet Trading System. So I will leave a link to that webinar in the description box that you can watch anytime. Please do watch because that's a 2-hour-long webinar, and I do not want to repeat the webinar in entirety in this presentation. Instead, I will focus on the demo of Sliver Bullet Pro automated trading software. I will do extensive demo of the software today. And for the complete webinar, for the business model and other aspects of Sliver Bullet Trading System, which includes education, automation, and funding, you can refer to last week's webinar video. I will leave the link to that video in the description. But today I will focus on the demo of the software. So let's go ahead with that. So here I have NASDAQ futures chart open on NinjaTrader platform, and I have a special Orenco indicator on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the software. So this is Sliver Bullet Pro version 2. And there are different ATMs, ATM 1, 2, and 3. So basically, ATM 1 takes trade with 1 contract, ATM 2 with 2 contracts, ATM 3 with 3 contracts. You can set the max loss parameter for the session. So I leave it at default 2,500, and max profit target, I will make it $2,000. Now, I'm going to enable the software. So you see the user interface of the software, very minimalist, colorful buttons for easy recognition. And here is the chart, and here is the timer for the playback data that I'm going to use to make this demonstration. So I'm using yesterday's market open data. So yesterday was December 27th, and market opens at 8:30 a.m. Central. So I have set the timer at that point, market open, and I'm going to use 2 contracts for the trade, and I am going to don't know what trade to take, and I will use the contrarian 2 strategy, which I haven't. I don't believe I have given you a demo with this strategy. I'm going to use contrarian 2 strategy, and I will have scale-in button on and aggressive button on. So these are the buttons on for the strategy. The direction I haven't decided. At market open, I will decide the direction. So my direction will be, I decide direction depending on whether the market has opened above the previous day's close or below the previous day's close. If the market has opened below previous day's close, I generally short. And if market has opened above the previous day's close, New York session close, basically, I take long trades. And many times I have taken bi-directional trades, just for the demo purpose. But in real life, that's the strategy I use. So I'm going to use that strategy today and see where the market opens. So let's see where the, okay, so market has opened, and let me find, where is it? I don't see. Wow, it opened way below. All right, it has opened here. This was Thursday's New York session close, this one, and it opened way below here in the I'm seeing a gap of about 135 points, or 150 points, 155 points. So big gap. So it's most likely a downtrending market today. So I'm going to take short trades. Contrarian root strategy, ATM2, scale in, aggressive. So parameters I standardized. I will let the software take the trades, and I'm going to increase the speed of the playback. Okay, so first trade was taken, since I had increased the speed to 6x, very fast. Profit target was also met even before we realized. So our first trade was taken here, where you see this diamond shaped indicator pointer. There the trade was taken, and few ticks from there, the position got closed. We got $275. First trade was profitable. I will continue.
Order filled.
So this is another trade.
Target filled.
So one position got closed.
Filled.
Second position also got closed. $275.
Filled.
So third is also profitable. Here total is $820 of profit so far.
Target filled. Target filled.
So 1090. So total 4 trades in matter of 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. The software made $1,090. Now
order filled. Target filled. Order target filled.
So here, let's see. So here what happened after the software took the trade, it had to take another trade, because since it took a short position and market went against it, so it added one more position. It took one more trade and averaged itself out and came out for averaged itself out, but still. And it tried to break even itself. When it averages itself, it tries to come out at a break-even price. Still, from 2 positions, it made $150 in profit. It did not make 270 this time, but profit target got adjusted. Usually, this is set up for a break-even trade. I'm surprised that it took $150, made $150. Usually, it comes out for $10, $20. But regardless, the break even did not happen too far, so that's why I mean, scale-in did not happen too far from the original trade, so that's why I think it happened. So here, scale-in button helps with that. That's this feature of the software.
Order filled. Target filled.
So one more profitable trade, $1,500 so far. So the software will stop once it makes 2,000 in profit. And here you see there was a losing trade. There was a losing trade here. So the first trade made a loss. First trade of $140. Second trade made a profit of $160. So it's a net $20 of profit in this set of trades. That's what I refer to as break-even trade. So first position was taken here at this diamond, and second was at this diamond. So, and break-even price was somewhere in between these two trades. So, so this is, I consider, as break-even trade, and this happens because of the scale-in mode. Because we scale-in feature is provided so that if the market goes against our first trade, we come out of the trade as quickly as possible with the least amount of a loss. So that's what happened. Market continues to go down. So I'll be taking short trades.
Target
so there's one more break-even trade. So here
Order
net
filled.
$30 of
Target
profit.
filled.
So this was profitable trade.
Target filled.
So now we reached the profit target of $2,000. It's 2,100 now. From 13 trades, 11 were winning trades and 2 were losing trades. So those 2 losing trades were basically break-even trades. And if I hadn't turned the scale-in mode on, most likely, I would have ended my trade 2 trades before, because eventually these 2 trades would have been profitable as well. But regardless, our goal is to minimize our losses. So this scale-in is important from that point of view. So you have seen, and how long it took, like 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, the software helped us make $2,100. Now, so today, as I said in the beginning of the webinar, that I'm going to focus on a demonstration. So I'm going to use the data of every day this week, every trading day this week. I'm going to use data and give you a demo of this software. So usually in the webinar, I use only Friday's data, but let me use Thursday's data now. So I will change the time. I'll go to Thursday, 8:30 a.m. and I will see where what to trade. So again, Thursday, the market opened below the previous trading day's close. So again, my strategy will be to go short. So same here, ATM 2. My position strategy, contrarian to, I will not change the strategy. I will keep it the same. Scale in, aggressive, and short, because market opened below previous day's close. So if it opens below previous day's close, previous day's New York session, I mean, futures, market is open 23 hours a day, but I'm taking New York session's close as a reference. And since the market opened below New York session's close from the previous day, I will take short trade. So that's why short button is on. So here,
Order filled. Target filled.
So this-
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
so 3 trades so far.
Filled. Order filled.
This was got stopped here. See,
Target filled.
so I would like to emphasize, like, 3 trades were profitable, about $800, and then the 4th trade gave me a loss of $705. But the following scale-in trade, I profited. The 2 trades were taken, and those 2 trades gave me profit of $780 and $260 each, and that's how now my realized PNL is $1,145. So
Order filled.
the strategy is still working.
Filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
This was a break-even trade.
Order filled.
This is also going to be a break-even trade. It got stopped actually. $700 of loss.
Filled.
This is a losing trade. So I gave back everything that I earned so far. And that is the reason we do not trade hands-free. But since it's a demo, I'm doing everything hands-free. I'm not stopping and not being selective in my trades. This is why the trading education is important. Software alone cannot make you money consistently. But since I'm focusing only on the software today, after 2 losses, after giving back, all the money this trade was profitable and I got all the money back. So guys, this is what we need to understand. So here market was giving us enough warning that market characteristics has changed. I need to reevaluate my strategy and trade direction, but I persisted. I hit 2 losses, 700 each, $1,400 loss. But from here, after a good pullback, market started to move back down, and these 2 trades that it took gave me profit of a profit of $500. Then actually it took total 3 trades here, 1, 2, and 3. So 500, 570, 670, and the final, this trade gave me $270. So I reached my target of $2,045. So this is the beauty of automating our trading. How long did it take? It took 8,000, 8,000 and saying it's 14 minutes, 20 seconds, 14 minutes, 20 seconds. It made profit of, $2,000. So let me make note of all the profits we made today. So here we 12/27 2024 it made 2K in 7 minutes, right? 12/26 it made 2K in 14 minutes. All right, we will continue and see what it does the previous day. I'm just keeping track of our so 25th was a holiday, Christmas day. So 24th is where we have to trade again. So I'm going to set the timer to market open as on December 24th, Tuesday. So here we see that market opened higher above previous day's close, above Monday's New York session close. So my strategy will be to go long here, and I'm going to use the same strategy, contrarian 2, and scale in and aggressive mode, and I will turn the
order filled. Target filled.
So
target filled.
So this was I started with the break-even trade. So first trade was $65. Second trade only $5. I think I don't know why it happened, but shouldn't have happened. But whatever, $60, not bad. And
order target filled.
So
order filled. Target filled.
All right.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So this I'm going to lose, looks like. No, it was profitable too, but it was a break-even trade.
Order filled. Order target filled.
Yeah. So here market is not cooperating. I should ideally change my strategy, but I will, since I decided to give you a demo, I'm going to stick to it with the same strategy. So far, $1,490. 2 more trades, and I should be able to.
Target filled.
So this was break-even trade. So I'll need still 2 more trades. If it is running away, ideally I should be changing my strategy to different one.
Order filled. Order filled. Target
This
filled.
was a break-even trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, guys. So this was done as well. Excuse me. So here you see once the profit target reaches, um, you get this message: total profit target reached and trade buttons disabled. And here, how long did it take? Again, 14 minutes 38 seconds um, for $2,000 of profit. So I will note down here again. So 1224 2024 2K in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. All right. So one more day I'm going to show you. That's Monday. This was a short week, so I have to, I can show only 4 days. So now we'll go back to 23rd. 23rd, 8:30, market open, 01. And now let's see where the market opens here. So again, Monday as well, Monday last week, market opened above the previous day's close, which is previous Friday's close. So I have to go along. I will use ATM2 again, long and contrarian 2 strategy, scale in aggressive mode. So here, market is running away, so I'm not getting trades.
Order filled. Order filled.
Break-even trade.
Stop filled.
Oh, it got
Order
stopped.
filled.
Big
Target
time.
filled.
All right. So here, 2 consecutive stops, $1,400 in loss I incurred before gaining that back. So in net, I have $90 in profit. So this was a big pump up and pump down. So I got caught in that. So when that happened, after the pump up, there was a big pullback and I incurred 2 losses. But again, after a strong pullback, again, market went up and I profited from that. So
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So now market is moving up again nicely.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is a break-even
Stop
trade.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So here I lost the trade, $705 of loss, and then again I made $1,200 or something. So net 500 profit, and that's how it's 1,500 now from all the trades.
Target filled.
Okay, 1,800. One more profitable trade.
Order filled. Target
No,
filled.
this is a break-even trade.
Order filled. Stop.
Nope.
Stop.
So I'm losing. I gave back all what I earned,
Target filled.
and then I made some. So guys, I was $1,800 in profit, but I was being greedy. Of course, this is a demo, but I want to make it a point that we cannot be greedy. We need to follow a certain process, which I'm not following in this. I'm just letting the software take trades blindly, right? And this is a violent back and forth market. There is a strong trend up and then pullback, heavy pullback. In this, still it managed. It gave back the $1,800 it made and then recovered half of it. About $800 it recovered. So here, like this was a $1,000 trade after losing 3 consecutive trades here, right? So
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So it's a good time for us to stop the trade. $1,000, $1,300 is good. We should not be over trading.
filled. Order stop filled. Order
Again, I
filled.
gave back, and
Order filled. Target filled.
again $1970.
Order filled.
So
Target filled.
all right. So trade buttons disabled, profit target reached, and $2,240. So this was a violent market. Monday market is usually back and forth choppy market. I call it molcajete grinding market. Like you are making guacamole, going back and forth, back and forth. So usually I'm more careful, but since it's a demo, I didn't want to change my strategy, apply any knowledge and things like that. So point here is, this is not the way you should trade, but even if you are wrong, most of the time the software takes you out, makes you profitable by using its logic. In our training, we explain the market structure, how to read the market, how to read the direction, what's the likely direction, and even if you don't take all these trades, you take only the profitable trades, and even with you'll not have so many break-even trades, and in less time you are decently profitable. I would say a few $100 you make, and that should be the goal. Consistency is the goal. But this demo is purely for the demonstration of the software, and I'm not going to cover the normal slides that I usually cover during my webinar. For that, I will refer you to the video we created last week, and I will provide the link to that video in the description. But how long did it take? It took about 22 minutes. In 22 minutes, we again made $2,000 and in fact $2,200. So I'm going to write that one down here. So how do I slide it down? I need room for writing it down. So here again, 12/23/2024, we made, in fact, 2.2K. Anyway, I don't want to be that pick every penny here. 22 minutes. 22 minutes. So what it means? Last week, if you had traded blindly with Sliver Bullet Pro, you would have made 8K, spending roughly 60 minutes. Am I right? 29, yeah, less than 60 minutes, 8K. Total 60 minutes in entire week, 8K. So which other business can give us this kind of returns? Maybe Microsoft, maybe Tesla. They make 8K, more than 8K, maybe 80K every 60 minutes. But among retailers, this is amazing, right? So, but yeah, again, this is just a demonstration. We need to apply our market knowledge, which is very important. Trading is not to be done blindly. It's not gambling rig. It's not a gambling machine. It's it's a professional business. We have to look trading as a business. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you very much for joining, and I give back your time. So you can go ahead with your day and enjoy. All right. So this is the outcome of today's demo, 8K in 60 minutes. If you have any questions, please call us or email us, and I'm providing my contact details here. And thank you very much for joining. Have a great rest of the weekend. Bye now.